the McDrive, so I'm going to McDonald's in Italy, in Udine. This is a little bit outside of Udine. I think this is a special menu thing, saramella, with sauerkraut and mustard. It's a kind of special hamburger they have here. You can get different toys here. Pet shop. Ooh, maybe I want a Happy Meal. Show the menu a bit because the menu is very interesting in another country. Salad. This New York crispy. They have polenta in McDonald's. So strange. This is the New York crispy. How is that?
Good.
It has the bacon, no? Bacon, and it's a hamburger, and it just has a different bread, but it seems very similar to a quarter pounder with bacon. And then I just got a Big Mac. The fries are good. They make it fresh here. Oh, look at the chocolate. And the price is $6.60. Too much. Perugina is an Italian brand. This is on sale for €3.91. I still think that's okay. I'm gonna try one of the caramello. And of course there's the normal baci ones. These are the Kinder Surprise eggs. They're $1.99, I think. What are you looking at?
There is a problem in our family, guys. Not because I'm crazy and I'm showing you this stuff.
You're too close.
Whatever chocolate comes into the door, the one who is filming now is eating after 5 minutes. So I'm just telling, look, this chocolate is associated to this face. Look at me. Look at me.
Okay, see. Okay.
Look at me.
Okay, dang. And they also have Haribo and, you know, these kind of jelly candies or gummy candies or weird kind of marshmallows. The normal marshmallows I still haven't seen anywhere. Do you know Graveyard Girl? This is what she does when there's people and she has to pass these people and then there are people over there. People! Earthworm.